Luke chapter 8 from verse 22 to verse 25. One day, Jesus and his special follower them, they go in a one boat, and he said to them, "Make we go over the other side of the lake." So then go. When them a sail cross, Jesus drop asleep. Now one trang breeze come down upon the lake, and the boat start full up of water so till everybody did out for drown. Jesus' special follower them wake him up and say, Lord, we are going to drown." Jesus get up and order the breeze and the wave them for settle down, and everything get calm. "We not trust in a midday?" Jesus asked them. Them so frightened when they see what Jesus do. They ask them one another, "Tap, what kind of man this? He talk to all breeze and wave and then do what he tell them to do?" A Gad Wod Dis.